What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Brown was in to get some maintenance done on his YFC. Got oil change, air filter clean, general maintenance. Figured he'd get some laps in on the track. Decided that he would actually just free ride the track pretty much. Played around with some wheelies, had some follies, goofed around, crashed. Yep, all kinds of neat stuff. So we got a video compilation of Tony and Brown riding around, jumping, having fun, jumping over me sometimes. Yep, great time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. These videos, some of them are long, some of them are short. We got build videos, ride videos, event videos. We got all kinds of races going on. Tony took the championship at Dade City Motocross this season one more time. The man's got a case of Send It like no other that I've seen. Skills that are absolutely insane. Old Brown on the ground. He spent quite a bit of time on the ground. A couple of crashes. Had him jumping doubles and triples though. Was great. Go ahead, hit that like button. I'm gonna get off here, let you guys listen to these engines rev, and y'all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Back brake didn't catch that time.